In this video, I'll show you how to fix apps not installed problem for Apex Legends Mobile. There are some reasons responsible for apps not installed problem. We will solve one by one. Corrupted APK package installer. Most of the time, the apps not installed problem happens when the package installer get corrupted. Please open the settings of your Android device, then navigate to the apps option. Under the apps section, navigate to the manage apps. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner, then enable show system apps. Now find out or search for package installer. Then go to the storage option, navigate to the clear data and click on it to remove the complete installation package. It will help us to fix the package installer. Now download the apps from Play Store and reinstall it. Blocked by Google Play Protect option. Apps may be blocked by Google Play Protect option. Then apps will not install. Open the Play Store and tap on the profile picture which is at the top right corner. Then click on Play Protect options. Tap on the settings icon at the top. Here you can see two options: scan apps with Play Protect. Play Protect option keep your device safe and blocks unauthorized application. You just have to disable both options. Now restart your device and try to install. Reset app preference. Again go to the settings of your Android device and navigate to the apps option. Under the apps section, navigate to manage apps. Tap on three dots to explore the more options. Here you can see reset app preference. Resetting app preference not only removes data restrictions but also resets the overall technical issues. Click on the reset app preference and a pop-up warning will appear. Click on agree or continue button, then hit the reset button. Now restart your device and install again. Few more additional things you can do to fix apps not installed problem. Please check your storage. Is there enough storage left? Sometimes restart and factory reset can fix this issue. You should download Apex Legends Mobile from different sites like APK Pure or APK Mirror. Check your Android version. Is it updated? That's it guys. I hope apps not installed problem will be solved and you can install and enjoy apps. Please subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Take care.